Okay, it's Friday, and so we got a quiz today. But before we take the quiz, I'd like you to uh, do the do some review on your own, and then when you're ready, you can go to do the subtopic for today, being DC motors. So I've got do the graphics first. Copy it, make a print of it if you want for taking notes. Go through the PowerPoint presentation on DC motors. And then there's a couple of documents that I've added for you. The first is the calculations document, which allows you to calculate EMFs from certain parameters and for a DC motor. And the other one is document for applications of DC motors. There aren't DC motors are not in great demand today because AC motors are much easier to hook up and to utilize, and they run off of the available power that is distributed to homes and industry, whereas DC is not readily available. And to run a DC motor, then you need a DC source. So you'd have to have have a generator as well. Okay, so but there are some applications where it is necessary. It's better to use a DC motor, and that document tells you what they are. Okay, and then take the exam 1B. Okay, there are 25 questions. You have to do all 25 questions. There are four points for each question, and you should do well. Okay, I gave you back some information that may help you on some of the things that you may have had problems with earlier in the quiz. But I think you all did. You all passed, so I wouldn't give it. You should be able to do it quite well. So good luck, and most of all, enjoy the weekend.